Hello everybody, I'm Nick from Pixie Woo. Today's video that I'm going to do for you is a Jennifer Aniston tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Now Jennifer has very perfect skin, so to start off with I'm going to use a foundation, and I'm going for Illamasqua Skin Based Foundation. The colour I've chosen is number 7 because it's the colour that's right for me. I'm going to pop a little bit on the back of my hand. And then using a Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm just going to apply it evenly to the skin. Next I'm going to take a concealer for under my eyes. I've got Collections 2000 Lasting Perfection. I'm just going to run that under my eyes. And a little bit around my nose where I get a bit red. This can also go on any blemishes as well. I'm going to take a Real Techniques Dome Shadow Brush just to blend underneath. Until that disappears into the skin. I'm now going to powder the skin, but I don't want the skin to look too flat because Jennifer always has a little bit of a glow to her skin. So I'm going to use MAC Studio Care Blend Powder, pressed powder, and I'm going to use a Real Techniques multitask brush. I'm just going to powder the T-zone, so just through the forehead to take away the shine, and just down the middle of the face. If you find that your cheeks get really shiny, then you powder the cheeks as well, but I'm not going to. Next step, I need to put some colour back into my skin, so I've gone for Daniel Sandler Riviera Cream Bronzer. I really like this one. It's really simple to use. I'm going to use a Real Techniques brush. This one is a contour brush. It's a cream blusher. I'm just going to run it where I want the skin to have a bit of a glow. Just like you've been slightly sun-kissed. Then I have another Daniel Sandler blusher. This one is called Soft Peach, and I'm going to pop that on the apples of the cheeks, just to give a little bit of tone to the skin. Using the same brush. Just gives a slightly peachy tone. That will work into the skin in a second and won't look so strong. I'm now going to move on to the eyes. I've got Clinique Colour Surge Eyeshadow Trio in 04 Totally Natural. Comes with 3 colours, which are perfect. And I'm going to use a MAC 217 to use these 2 colours. Start off with the lightest colour, and that's going to go all over the eye. A little bit just underneath as well to take away any shine under there. Then the second lightest colour, or second darkest colour, whichever way you want to look at it, is going to, with the same brush, just going to look down and place it just softly through my socket bone. Just very softly through there. Doesn't need much of that. Then I'm going to take the darkest brown in the palette and using a MAC 266 angle brush, run that along my lash line. Just softly like that, no more than that is needed. Just like that. Jen doesn't ever look like she's got a lot of makeup on, so we want to keep it as natural as we can. Great for a summer look as well. As a mascara, I've got Collection 2000 Big Fake Lash Mascara. So I'm only going to use it on the top lashes, because she doesn't seem to wear it on the bottom lashes to keep it nice and natural. I then have a MAC Impeccable Brow Pencil in Dirty Blonde, and I'm going to use it just to structure my brows a little bit. Last product is the lips, and I've gone for one product to make it easier. Avon. It's an ultra colour rich pink crystal lipstick, and the colour I've chosen is Diamond Rose. I'm just going to pop it on its own. It smells lovely as well. And there you have the finished look. Hope you've enjoyed that, and have a nice day. Bye bye.